Gi.
Title 5, Crimes relative to opium and other prohibited drugs. Article 190, Possession, preparation, and use of prohibited drugs and maintenance of opium dens. The penalty is arresto mayor in its medium period to prison correctional in its minimum period, in a fine ranging from 300 to 1,000 pesos shall be imposed upon number 1, anyone who, unless lawfully authorized, shall possess, prepare, administer, or otherwise use any prohibited drugs. Prohibited drugs as used herein includes opium, cocaine, alpha and beta, Indian hemp, their derivatives, in all preparations made from them or any of them, in such other drugs, whether natural or synthetic, having psychological action as a narcotic drugs. Opium embraces every kind, class, and a character of opium, whether or prepared, the ashes or refuse of the same, narcotic preparation thereof, or therefrom, morphine, or any alkaloid of opium, preparation in which opium, morphine, or any alkaloid of opium. Title 9, Crimes against Personal Liberty and Security. Chapter 1, Crimes against Liberty. Section 1, Illegal Detention. Article 267, Kidnapping and Serious Illegal Detention. Any private individual who shall kidnap or detain another or any other manner deprive him or of his liberty shall suffer the penalty reclusion perpetua to death. Number 1. If the kidnapping or detention shall have been last more than 3 days. Number 2. If it shall be committed simulating public authority. Number 3. If any serious physical injuries shall be inflicted upon the person kidnapped or detained, or if threats to kill him shall have been made.
Sige.
Title 8, Crimes against Persons. Chapter 1, Destruction of Life. Section 1, Parricide, Murder, Homicide. Article 246, Parricide. Any person who shall kill his father, mother, or child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, or any of his ascendants or descendants, or his spouse, shall be guilty of parricide, and shall be punished by the penalty of reclusion perpetua to death. Elements. Number 1, a person is killed. Elements number 2, the deceased is killed by the accused. Elements number 3, the deceased is the A, father or mother, B, legitimate or illegitimate child, C, his spouse, D, ascendants, E, descendants.
Sige na.
Title 7, Crimes committed by public officer. Chapter 1, Preliminary Provisions. Article 203, who are public officer. For the purpose of applying the provision of this in the preceding titles of this book, any person who, by direct provisions of the law, popular election or appointment by competent authority shall take part in the performance of public functions in the government of the Philippine Islands, of shall perform in said government or any of its branches public duties as an employee, agent, or official in of any rank or class shall be deemed to be a public officer.
Sige.
Title 6, Crimes Against Public Morals. Chapter 1, Gambling and Betting. Article 195. What acts are punishable in gambling? The penalty of arresto mayor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos. In case recidivism, the penalty of arresto mayor or a fine ranging from 200 or 6,000 shall be imposed upon any person other those referred to in subsections, and who in manner shall directly or indirectly take part in any game of mounting or any other form of lottery of policy banking or percentage game, dog races, or any other game, the results of which depends wholly or chiefly upon chance or hazard, or wherein consisting of money, articles of value, or representative of consisting of money, article of value, or representative of value are made, or in the exploitation or use of any other value are made, mechanical invention, or to determine by chance the loser or winner of money or any object or representative of value,